Do you ever feel like your cooking routine is stuck in the same old patterns and could use a fresh new twist? Well, get ready, because what you're about to see will completely transform how you approach your kitchen. Today, I've got 10 of the coolest Amazon kitchen gadgets that'll not only make your life easier but also more fun. From clever tools that cut your prep time in half to space-saving wonders that keep your kitchen organized, these gadgets are total game changers and are totally worth buying in 2024. Ready to see what could be your next must-have? Let's get started. Have you ever struggled trying to pull out a hot oven rack without burning yourself? This little gadget solves that problem. You can push or pull the rack easily without touching it, thanks to its heat-resistant silicone design. Perfect for when you're baking or roasting, and it's small enough to store away without taking up any space. Seriously, once you have this, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Next up, we have the adorable yet functional crab pot spoon holder. This cute little crab perches right on the edge of your pot, holding your spoon when you need to put it down. No more mess on your countertops or scrambling to find a clean place for your spoon. Plus, it adds a bit of fun to your kitchen, which we can all appreciate, right? It's both quirky and practical. What more could you want? Now, ice cream lovers, this one's for you. The Trigger Ice Cream Scoop makes serving ice cream a breeze. With its built-in trigger mechanism, you'll get perfectly round scoops every time, and the ice cream slides right out without sticking. Say goodbye to the days of wrestling with frozen dessert. Whether it's for a party or a midnight snack, this scoop is a must-have. If you love cooking with lots of spices, you're going to love this one. The rotating stainless steel spice seasoning rack. It's sleek, space-saving, and keeps all your spices neatly organized. No more searching through cluttered cabinets, just spin the rack and find exactly what you need. Plus, it's stainless steel, which means it'll last for years without rusting. How many times have you struggled to get the last bit of peanut butter or sauce out of a jar? The Splatypus jar Scraper Spatula is here to save the day. Its unique design allows it to reach into those awkward corners and scrape every last bit. Flexible and durable, this spatula is a great addition to any kitchen, making sure nothing goes to waste. Calling all meatball lovers. The flexible Meatball Master is about to revolutionize how you prep your meals. Imagine being able to make 32 perfectly sized meatballs all at once. This flexible tray is designed to shape and portion your meatballs, and it's super easy to pop them out once they're ready. Ideal for batch cooking, meal prepping, or even making snacks for a party. This gadget saves time and effort. Movie night just got better with the microwave popcorn popper. Forget about buying pre-packaged bags of popcorn. With this gadget, you can make your own healthy, fresh popcorn in minutes. Simply add kernels, pop it in the microwave, and boom, perfectly popped corn without the chemicals. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Now let's talk organization. The Lifewit dish drying rack is a game changer, especially for smaller kitchens. This isn't just any drying rack. It has a 2-tier large capacity, stainless steel material, and food-grade plastic, which means it's durable and safe for all your dishes. It also has a scratch-resistant coating, non-slip feet, and a drainage bottom, keeping your counters dry. It's not only practical but also stylish enough to leave out on your counter. How many times have you had to clean up a microwave explosion? The collapsible microwave splatter cover is the answer to that annoying problem. It protects against food splatters, has a vent to release steam, and even helps keep your food warm. And the best part, it's fully collapsible, so it won't take up much space in your kitchen. It fits plates between 6 to 10 inches, and it's dishwasher safe. Last but not least, we have the Basting Bottle with silicone brush head. Whether you're grilling, baking, or cooking, this heat-resistant gadget allows you to baste your food with sauces, marinades, or oils without making a mess. It's the perfect tool for anyone who loves flavor-packed meals. So there you have it, 10 cool Amazon kitchen gadgets that are absolutely worth buying in 2024. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.